learn how to cook sago or tapioca pearls in just few easy steps. I used 1 cup dried sago or tapioca pearls. Bring 6 cups water to a boil in a deep pot. Once the water is at a rolling boil, add the tapioca. Cook for 10 minutes while stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat, keep the pot covered, and allow to sit for another 10 minutes. Drain the sago and rinse under cold water. If it still have opaque white centers, repeat the process. I boiled for another 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, turned off the heat, and let it sit for another 10 minutes. Drain and rinse the sago under cold water one more time. Finally, the sago are completely translucent.